Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Axion Water Technologies. Most people know us as a membrane technology company, manufacturing reverse osmosis systems, spiral wound membrane elements, pressure vessels, and most recently, membrane chemicals for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Axion Water Technologies was founded in 1989, and while we've experienced substantial growth since our inception of our organization, our focus and our core values have not changed. We continue to offer top quality products, competitive pricing, and unparalleled support. We're proud to have become known as a reliable component supplier, an innovative systems OEM, a premier white label and contract manufacturer, and an invaluable partner to many of the top brands in the world. And we are especially proud to have one of the most knowledgeable technical teams in the industry, and those who take advantage of our team for project planning, custom engineered solutions, startup and technical support have a significant advantage over their competition. Bringing all the resources to our customer base is an investment, but we know that our success is a direct result of success that we enable our customers to achieve. This customer-centric model is what drives everything from our selection of raw materials to the build-out of our supply chain. It drives the most important decisions that we make as a company. It is the basis of our core values. It is the basis for our day-to-day, and it is the basis for our future, a future that we hope you will choose to be a part of.